this half hour, we'll discuss hurricanes, climate change, the summer forecast, and a very special event, a total solar eclipse. Harvey has surpassed 50 inches of rain in the past couple days. That is the most amount of rain ever measured from a single storm system in the United States. And to put that into comparison for you, that's more rain than the New York City area typically sees in an entire year. Potential tornado moved through the area, so pretty large tree snapped here too. That's kind of the common scene. And with the temperatures that have dropped like a rock across the region, well, you're going to have icy spots around this morning. Anywhere from 3 to 5 inches fell from Islip over to Floral Park. It is moving northeast at 12 miles per hour. This is no threat to anyone, just an interesting topic, but there it is. And here's home. It doesn't look like this fully breaks, this trough, this upper level low pressure that's been with us until next week. And we start bringing some temperatures back. And the kicker on it, maybe a bigger rain event by the upcoming weekend. All right, folks, we are just a couple seconds away from what we would see as the maximum portion of the eclipse here around the New York metro area. You could see that crescent-looking portion of the sun. So regular glasses, folks, come off. Okay, you've got these glasses come on. Now what? Winds are coming in south around 7 miles per hour, and as you're heading to MetLife, we've got cloudy, chilly in the fourth quarter as the Giants are hopefully doing well. Temperature will be around 49. As broadcast meteorologists, it's an everyday struggle, isn't it? We're trying to figure out what's the best way to get a message across to the public. We know the government agencies, the National Weather Service deals with that as well. The wind chill makes it feel like it's well down into the 20s this morning, and if you think that is cold, well, you haven't seen anything yet. When you take the wind and factor it into the temperatures, the afternoon feels like it's in the 20s, the nighttime feels like it's in the teens and even the single digits. Santa's lead sleigh engineer reporting that not only is this a more aerodynamic sleigh, but it's 2 times faster than the sleigh last year was. Whether you get 8 inches of snow, 10 inches of snow, 13 inches of snow, it almost doesn't matter. It is a plowable amount. It's coming down at commute times. Opening day, and the weather couldn't look better. Sunny, warm, a gorgeous afternoon. The heat is on, but the question is, why exactly is it getting this much above average in May? The answer is this Bermuda high pressure. Temperatures a little bit cooler than the past couple days have been, but beautiful conditions as we're out here on the FiOS1 weather deck. A few fair weather clouds and some sunshine. We do think by the time we get into the middle of next week, it's in the vicinity of the Bahamas, but there is a big question mark on exactly where that storm goes after that point. Right now, around the core of it, it's got sustained winds at 120, gusts to 150 miles per hour, but they are reporting hurricane-force winds in many spots along the immediate shorelines, especially out towards Cape Canaveral. We could have some heavy rain and the possibility of some gusty winds, especially later Saturday and into the first half of Sunday. Well, though Hermine made landfall as a hurricane in Florida, Category 1, and very strong at times, it has now been downgraded to a tropical storm system as it moves its way into Georgia. It'll likely stay a tropical storm moving all the way into the Carolinas. Mainly sunny skies on Monday is going to make a partial solar eclipse very visible to us here in the Northeast. A winter weather advisory in effect all across the lower Hudson Valley from Westchester all the way north of I-84 from this morning through 2 p.m. this afternoon. John, thanks so much. We appreciate you being here. Courtney, I guess the question is now, what kind of shelf life do these things have?
What are you going to do with those glasses?
Yeah.
Maybe you can save them
Hang
for
on
20.